So I had way too little energy for the way I live, and I was quite tight in my movement, mostly in the neck, and I had an autoimmune disease, which is an inflammation on my head that has been persisting for 4.5 years, and for the first time in 4.5 years it's been shrinking and shrinking and shrinking, and consistently in the last 4 or 5 weeks, so I'm very happy about that. My energy has also been going up, and I had days when I felt like a teenager again. It was almost unbelievable to wake up and just have passion and curiosity and this energy to do things, because I thought, this is normal, getting a little bit older and then you have less interest in life, but it was almost reversed and it's been going upwards since, so I'm very, very happy about that.
Okay, thanks a lot, Erik.